हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. मी ऋतुजा लावरे महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप आमच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर आत्ता सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा. सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. Maharashtra State Board Class 9 Geography Chapter Number 12 Tourism Textbook Questions and Answer. Question 1. Identify the type of tourism from the statement. First is Hemant Kumar went to Mexico to learn about the architectural skills of the Mayan culture. Answer is cultural tourism. B is Portuguese tourist had come to Goa to participate in the Goa Carnival. Answer is cultural tourism. C. To seek treatment in the naturopathy center, John and Amar went to Kerala. Answer is medical tourism. D. Pundalik Rao accomplished the Char Dham Yatra with his family. Answer is religious tourism. E. Rameshwari from Pune went to enjoy Howda roasted grain party and learn about modern and traditional methods of agriculture. Answer is agro-tourism. And then F is Sayyad family went to Ajmer Durga. Answer is religious tourism. Question number 2 आहे match the columns identifying the correlations make the chain. So answer is A. Tadoba, B. Chandrapur, C. Tiger. Second, bird sanctuary Nanaj, Great Indian Bustard means Maldo. Third, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Mumbai, Kaneri Caves. Fourth is Taj Mahal, Agra, world famous wonder. Fifth is Ramoji Film City, Hyderabad, Film City. Then sixth, Radhanagari, Kolhapur, Bison. Then seventh, Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh, Asian cave paintings. 8 is Asian caves, Ellora, Kailash caves. Then 9th is Englinest Wildlife Sanctuary, Arunachal Pradesh, butterflies. 10th is Loktak, Manipur, lake. Question number 3 is answer in brief. First is difference between the religious and cultural tourism. So let's see the difference between them. Religious tourism is a type of tourism in which tourists travel for pilgrimage. Cultural tourism refers to a types of tourism in which tourists travel to cultural attractions away from residents to gather new information and experience. In religious tourism, various regions, places, temples, churches, etc. are visited for performing religious activities and gaining spiritual peace. In cultural tourism, art, architecture, religion, customs, traditions, lifestyle, etc. of a particular region are experienced and studied. Third is, for example, a visit to Shirdi, Haji Ali, Mount Mary Church, etc. For example, Portuguese tourists participating in the Goa Carnival. Question 2 आहे what are the objectives of tourism? Answer is following are the objectives of tourism. Getting joy, getting entertained, trading, staying, availing, health facilities, getting a glimpse of agricultural life, performing religious activities, etc. Third is explain the environmental effects of tourism. Answer is following are the environmental effects of tourism. Sometimes tourists damage tourist place and degrade the environment. Some tourists throw litter and pollute the tourist place. Therefore, all tourists must follow the concept of ecotourism. Ecotourism includes taking precautions of not degrading and polluting the environment as well as not damaging tourist places. Tourism is good for environmental development as the government makes economic investment in developing sanctuaries and national parks for the sake of the tourism industry. In eco-friendly tourism, factors like designing houses, resorts, traffic routes are designed in an eco-friendly manner in which electricity and water are used judiciously. The concept of recycling and reuse is also applied in eco-friendly tourism. Fourth is what opportunities develop with the development of tourism. Answer is tourism and economic development. The development of infrastructural facilities generates employment on a large scale. Example transportation, banking, restaurants, shops, resorts, medical services, etc. Tourism and environmental development. Due to the eco-friendly tourism concept, tourist places are developed while caring for the environment. Example ecotourism. Tourism and health. Opportunities to avail health facilities developed with tourism. Example Indian Ayurveda, Yoga, Pranayam. Tourism and social developments. Tourism creates social consciousness among tourists, which helps in the development of neglected components of the society. For example, visit to Anandvan village. Fifth is suggest measures after explaining the problems arising at the tourist places. Answer is the problems that may arise at the tourist places: lack of basic facilities, lack of frequency of means of transportation, lack of medical facilities, lack of communication facilities, petty crimes and security issues. Second is measure to minimize the problems arising at the tourist places. Government can provide lodges and eateries, clean drinking water and good sanitization facilities. All tourist places can be connected by speedy means of transportation. Government can open dispensaries and arrange ambulance facilities. Communication facilities can be developed at every tourist place. Installation of CCTVs in public places and promote action made by the law and order forces can help tourists immensely. 6 is explain with the reason the places of interest that can be developed as tourist centers in your district. In the district of Mumbai, there are many tourist destinations which fascinate the tourists, but there are few places which can be developed as a tourist centers which are currently neglected. To name a few, there are some small forts on the beaches of Mumbai and some caves in the suburbs of Mumbai. The Sion Fort and the Fort of Mahim are currently in a bad state and need urgent restoration. The Mahakali cave, situated in western suburbs of Mumbai, need to be developed in order to preserve cultural heritage which can attract many tourists. Disclaimer: the students can write answer of this above question in their own words as per the district they belong to. Question 7 is local people get employment due to the tourism. Give the reason. Tourism is an important tertiary occupation through which many tourists visit places of interest. Many job opportunities are created to serve the tourist. When basic infrastructure improves, it leads to generation of employment. Many local people get job opportunities from various restaurants, transportation systems and recreational places. Question number 5 is make a notice board containing instructions for the tourist at the tourist places. So this is the answer. We can make this board: caution, do not enter deep sea during high tide, do not click selfies at a sea cliffs, do not litter, do take care of you and your belongings. Issued in public interest. Question number 6 is explain how relevant is the concept of Atithi Devo Bhava, guest is our God, with respect to tourism. Answer is in Sanskrit, Atithi Devo Bhava means guest is our God. This is a tagline of India's Ministry of Tourism's campaign to improve the treatment of tourism in India. India attracts millions of tourists every year, but it still lags far behind compared to other destinations. With an attempt to improve the number of tourists traveling to India, the Tourism Department of India started this social awareness campaign which provides training and orientation of taxi drivers, guides, immigration officers, police and other personnel who interact directly with the tourists. This campaign educates the citizens of our country about the importance of our cultural heritage, benefits of cleanliness, importance of foreign tourists and maintaining our historical monuments. All these efforts will lead to the economic development of our country. Question number 7 is the tourist map Maharashtra is given. Answer the following question based on map. So this is our map and based on this map They are asking us some few questions. First is make a list of places having hot springs. What are the reasons for this being located here? Answer. Say Vajreshwari, Kapeshwar, Unakeshwar, Linvare, Unaped, Unapdev are the places that have hot springs. Reasons of hot water springs because geothermally heated groundwater rises from the earth's crust. Second is at the what places do you find the correlation between transportation routes and the development of tourism? Answer. Aurangabad. The national highway and the airport is located in Aurangabad, which facilitates the tourists to visit Ajanta and Ellora caves. Shirdi. Since Shirdi has got a railway station, more devotees will visit the temple every year. Okay, so like this way our chapter number 12 tourism is over. Okay, so thank you so much students. Keep watching Maharashtra Media.